Welcome back to my channel Drinking Math. In this video, we are going to find out the value of this square root without using a calculator. To start the solution, I'm going to multiply both top and bottom of this inner part by conjugate of the denominator. So it is going to be, let me write the denominator here. We have a square root of 8 over second root of 72 minus second root of 54 multiplied by conjugate of denominator is going to be second root of 72 minus changes to plus second root of 54 over second root of 72 plus second root of 54. To continue the solution, top multiplied by top, so it is going to be second root of 8 times second root of 72 plus second root of 54 over second root of 72 minus second root of 54 times second root of 72 plus second root of 54. Let me continue this one. Now, to continue the solution, it is going to be, look, 8 can be written as a product of 4 and 2. So let me write it in the form of 4 times 2, a square root of 4 times 2. 72 can be written as a product of 36 and 2. So I write it here, 36 times 2 plus. Next, 54 can be written as a product of 27 and 2. So I write it here, 27 times 2, right? This is top. What do we have bottom? Look, it is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. What is this? Look, a minus b times a plus b. It can be written in the form of first term, which means a to the power of 2 minus second term, which means b to the power of 2. So in this case, it is going to be first term, second root of 72 to the power of 2 minus second term, second root of 54 to the power of 2. Next, second root of 4 times 2. All you know, second root of a times b can be written in the form of second root of a times second root of b, right? So I want to use these two rules to continue the solution. Second root of 4 times 2 can be written in the form of second root of 4 times second root of 2. This one can be written in the form of second root of 36 times second root of 2 plus this one, second root of 27 times second root of 2. This is on top. Bottom, second root of 72 to the power of 2. These two as exponent. This square root can be cancelled off, so we have 72 minus. These two as exponent, these two as a square root can be cancelled off, so it is going to be 54. Let's continue the solution. So, second root of 4, all you know, it is 2 times second root of 2. Next, second root of 36, 6 times second root of 2 plus second root of 27 times second root of 2. Until here, good job. Bottom, 72 minus 54 is gonna be 18, right? I write this 18 here. Next, 2 divided by 2, 1. 18 divided by 2, 9. So I write it here. On top we have second root of 2 times 6 times second root of 2 plus second root of 27 times second root of 2. Bottom we have 9. What should we do as a next step? We need to expand it. This second root of 2 times this first term, and again this second root of 2 times second term. So it is going to be second root of 2 times this first term is going to be 6 times second root of 2 times second root of 2 plus this second root of 2 times second term is going to be second root of 27 times second root of 2 times second root of 2. This is on top. What do we have? Bottom. We need to write this 9 without any changes. So now look here. Second root of 2 times second root of 2 is second root of 2 to the power of 2. What is this? These 2 as exponent, this square root can be cancelled off, so it is same as 6 times 2 plus. Again, this second root of 2 times this second root of 2 is second root of 2 to the power of 2. These 2 as exponent, these 2 as root can be cancelled off, so it is same as second root of 27 times 2, right? Bottom we have 9. Now to continue the solution, 6 times 2 is 12. I write it here, 12 plus 2 times, look, second root of 27, right? I write it here, over 9. Now look this one carefully. How can we simplify this one? This 27 can be written as the product of two numbers, 9 and 3. So what is 12? 12 can be written as the sum of 9 and 3. Nice, right? 9 times 3, 9 plus 3. So I write it here. 9 plus 3 plus 2 times second root of 9 times second root of 3. Look, instead of second root of 27, I write second root of 9 times second root of 3, and you know second root of a times b is second root of a times second root of b, over 9. Second root of 9, 3. So I write it here, 9 plus 3 plus 2 times 3 times second root of 3, over 9. What is this? How can we continue the solution? This 9 is a perfect square, so it can be written in the form of 3 to the power of 2. What is this? Twice of this first term, and if this one second term, what is this? So this 3 can be written in the form of second root of 3 to the power of 2, right? So it is gonna be, let me write it here, this 9. Instead of this 9, I write 3 to the power of 2. This, instead of this 3, I write second root of 3 to the power of 2, right? Plus 2 times 3 times second root of 3. Okay, over 9. What is this? Look carefully. First term s squared plus second term s squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term. So if you cannot guess what is this, let me help you more. How if I change the place of this term and this term? Look, it is same as first term squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared, right? Over 9. What is this? This is in the form of a squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. What is this? This is first term plus second term, all of it squared, right? Now we are going to use this to continue the solution. How? Look, first term squared twice product of the first term and second term plus second term squared. So it is going to be first term here, first term 3 plus second term square root of 3 to the power of 2 over 9. Until here, we did it well. Good job. But what is this? Look, what is this? This is our inner part. We are going to find out a square root of our inner part, which means we need to find out a square root of 3 plus second root of 3, all of it to the power of 2 over 9. To continue the solution, look, here we have a square root of a over b can be written in the form of a square root of a over a square root of b, right? So this one can be written a square root of top, which means 3 plus second root of 3 to the power of 2 over a square root of bottom. Now, next step. A square root of top. What is this? These two as exponent, these two as root can be cancelled off. So here we have 3 plus a square root of 3. What is a square root of 9? All you know it is 3. And it can be our final answer. But if you want, you can continue simplifying how 3 over 3 plus a square root of 3 over 3. It can be written in the form of 3 over 3, 1 plus a square root of 3 over 3. And this is most simplified answer of our question. Have fun.